Hello guys! Welcome back to our channel, Pilin Shimla. So for today's video, we'll do the unboxing of gift from Rishi. It's a surprise gift he said to me because it's been long time. Yesterday he came from from Dubai, so he arrived yesterday, but we only get the time to do the unboxing today because we got busy. We reached at home by maybe 9 o'clock and we got tired, and then today also we go to Shogi to find some panel doors. So what time now? Maybe 4 o'clock. Only get the time to unbox this surprises. This gift is a he said to me this gift is a gift of, what is that, anniversary, yeah. And Valentine. Too much. No. What else? And birthday also. Birthday also. No, my birthday, yeah, my birthday will be next month. So all three: Valentine's, anniversary, and birthday. Oh yeah, because on my birthday, on our anniversary, on Valentine's Day, he's not here. Anniversary, he's not here. So on my birthday, he's not here because this month is July. So next month will be August. So probably he's not here. So that's why he's telling me he has three occasions that this is the gift. But actually, it's my also first time to see this. I didn't see this yet before. He never showed me, and he's telling me it's a surprise gift. So we'll do the unboxing of this now, and I will show you what's really this. See, I have the idea now. See, you see this, guys, is watch. See, watch. This is iWatch. So actually he has an iWatch also. So he also buy for me. So let's see what's the color he got for. This is another extra band for this. This is a Nike. But actually I like so let's see. Let's unbox. Okay, you help me.
No, just take it out.
I like this only. Yeah. Okay. I think the other before you bought me before. I have before this. We have before like this also. The old one. And the packet itself are different also. Now it's another thing also. Yeah.
No, you do not open the strap. Use the Nike one if you like.
Right. I like more into, I don't know. This is cream or white?
Cream, I think.
Oh, cream is nice. Yeah. But I like more into also, there's one more. Gray.
This is how it will look like. See?
So this is the, guys, the how to open this one? This one. So see, guys, so we will, from here we will open. From there. Then how can I open, hand?
No, it's there.
Can you help me? Oh, yeah.
No, just take like this. Yeah.
Yes, so we open now, and I think the other one, yeah. So here we go, guys. So this is the golden, not the silver. Nice, I like the golden. Not so gold, but it is. See, guys.
People is sharing this.
Let's see. Like this one,
Yeah, you already. Okay.
This is the small version because it's woman, so it will be small than to him. Him is very big. So women's always is small. Small version, yeah. So but I don't know the of this. So here it is, and let's see the band. There's a
Which band you want to test?
Band. They came, and let's see the band. I'll think.
No, you have to do unboxing for this one, won't you?
Daddy. Yeah. There's a green, guys. When you see the green, that means that one you can.
I lost this one, this two.
Where is this? Should be there. You are the one who opened the pack.
So here. Oh, wow. I like the color. It's not so white. So I like the color. It's not so white. It's like a cream. So next time I will buy the gray one.
Kind of vanilla, maybe.
What's inside? Nothing.
Nothing.
So this is the goes. This is the strap, guys. And the strap for sure is very small din also, guys.
Down with me.
So we're gonna
let
put
Mama
it.
do the unboxing and then.
And can you help me to put it?
You don't want to check the Nike?
I will check the Nike also. Then while I'm checking, let's do the unbox of the Nike. This is the extra band that he bought for me also, so that I have an options to. Let's see which one is good, nice. Very fast.
Yeah.
This is like the band like a garterized. So this one is like a garterized type.
Well, feeling very itchy inside.
Really? You feeling itchy?
Yes.
Because of this cloth is really meant to be like that.
Yeah, maybe you need to change.
Because this one is like this a design.
You want to change? Do you want me to put you another?
So this is the guys, the new.
Okay. Excuse me.
What is this?
Wait, Han, we're not finished yet.
No, I will give him t-shirt.
A t-shirt. So this is the another band, guys, and this will be my new iWatch, guys. So ayan, congratulate me. I have another iWatch. Before I had maybe 2018 siguro we have like this, and the thing here is it got it got broken from I think here kasi na siya sa bato.
What happened, Daddy?
So what I did is na lang, binenta ko na lang, may bumili kaysa hindi na siya hindi ko na rin siya may injure kasi nga nabasag. So while pwede pa siyang ibenta, binenta ko na lang. Sabi ko, tapos ayan. So binigyan niya ako ng another. So kailangan natin itong i-connect i-connect ko to sa aking phone. Ito pala yung phone ko. Nice. Show here. This is a new shirt of Adi from Daddy and Tita Arens. Tita Arens and Daddy bought so many.
You like which one, Adi? This one?
Yes. Blue one.
No, you wear this one.
Wear this blue one. Show to them. Adi has a blue.
I already have this yellow one.
I will show you guys yung mga damit na binigay ng kanyang tita. Yung iba kasi nasa taas na kasi plaplansyahin ko.
I have 3 glasses. One is red, one is yellow, and one is blue. I have 3 glasses.
So
3 glasses.
So ayan, guys.
Blue t-shirt and blue
Ito
glasses.
guys yung mga wow, si Adi galing kay
blue
Tita
and
Arens.
the glasses also blue.
Yes, cool, very cool. Yeah, so ito, ayan. Ayan, did you bought this one?
This is Ate.
This is Ate, bought it. And this one, Hurley's, this is like a jogging pants. This is one of my favorite jogging pants. Ate bought it also.
I will wear this one.
This boxer shirt also.
For the Leah.
This one also, the Batman.
Me and Mama.
Tapos ito may mga short.
I will wear this shirt and I
Ito
like
short.
it.
Ayan.
Now I have 3 glasses. One is red, one is yellow, one is blue.
This is another
you have
one.
all the
This is
colors,
from pambahay lang.
If
Kasi
I
kaya
have
sa
all the
RNB ko lang
colors,
siya
it
pinabili.
will
Mura
be
lang yan, guys.
rainbow.
Mga 10 dirham lang to sa RNB.
You already have yellow?
Pero sabi ko kasi, may iksi na kasi yung pambahay niya. Kasi, kaya, ayan, pinabili ko siya. Ito naman galing kay ate to.
Oh,
Ayan. Pas itong RNB kay Rishi to. Kasi sabi ko nga sa kanya, marami pa siyang pang-alis actually. Kasi sabi sa kanya, bumili siya ng pambahay ni ate. Eh, mukha din naman pang-alis din naman to eh. Pero kahit 10 dirham lang yan. Ayan, may medyas. 2 pack ng medyas ang binili ni ate. Isang white, isang colorful, at saka isang white. Ayan. Tapos, eto. Tapos meron na akong itinaas doon, mga kalahati nito.
Daddy, I love
Ng mga
my
damit.
Lego.
Dahil kami ay pupunta sa Delhi bukas para madaling araw kami alis para kami ay to renew the Adi passport. So I'm gonna actually we're gonna press the other cloth. So that's why iniakyat ko na yung iba dito. So ito yung bigay ni ate, tsaka magkasama na to kay Rishi at kay ate. So yung kalahati meron pa dun sa taas. So ayun ang bigay ni ate Clarence. So thank you. Tapos si Tito Binud niya ay may bigay na Lego na hindi pa niya nabubuksan.
It will come out.
Kasi marami.
You take this na.
Ayan, Lego.
You have to wash this one.
Tapos eto nga.
This one.
Tapos may bag din ako. Dami. Dami na naman. So ayan. I-check na natin. Check natin. Kung ano.
Baby, come down.
Yeah, I'm coming.
Baby, come down. Come down.
No!
Honey, you,
Star boy.
since you are the one who's good in.
Your charger cable is here. Okay? In this.
Yeah. Can you open? How it is? Is it just? Yeah. So I have to use my other.
Cable you can use this.
I like the color. Good thing I thought you will the white one. It's not exactly gold, hanahan. It's like a silver, pinkish. Cannot explain the color. So ayan, ang ganda. Tapos ito yung pinaka-cable niya. So Type-C na rin to, Han. Yeah. This is also Type-C now. So I have the for my phone. So that one I will use na lang. And this is the they're not giving anymore since the one you have iWatch, you should have the iPhone. So it will be connected to your iPhone phone also. So ayan. So thank you so much, Han, for the wonderful gift. I'm so happy having another. Thank you for the surprise gift. I'm really surprised. So ayan, guys. Meron naman tayong another surprise.
What you will do with this strap?
Looking forward for the another surprise. No, I will use this once once like I can use this. The same thing how you put, Hana.
There is a way to do that.
Huh? There's a way.
I need to do that.
Really?
Yeah.
It's not the same as like that?
Yeah, but it needs to be done now once.
Because you have to pull it like this.
I watch Nike. This will be outside like this always. So nice. Like this.
Then put in the So ayan. Ay, ang ganda. Ang ganda naman ito. Ano to, Han? This is also same like this. No.
Different types of
It's like a band? It's also like very simple? No.
See?
Very nice.
So you need to do
Ang ganda ng different design color. Ang ganda, Han. You have to to link in my phone. Then.
For that you will need the phone, not this one.
Yes. Thank you so much. So we have an iWatch now. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for my husband. Very thoughtful, very what do you call this? Very thoughtful. Mabait. Giver. Not confused. He's actually, ever since you never noticed to him that like he's an Indian. Usually when you notice like he's like very very galante. Filipino knows that what is galante. So galante in a way that he can also trying to manage everything, not in a way that is very yung parang gastos lang ng gastos. Yung ipon din, tapos saka bibilhan kanya ng gift na importante. Ayun, hindi din siya. Ang sabi ko naman sa kanya, ayaw ko din yung mga gift na mga flower lang. Paminsan-minsan, pagka maliliit lang. Pero, pag yung nakapag-ipon, yun. Katulad ng mga anniversary or mga birthday or mga Valentine's nga. Since lagi siyang wala dito, we never celebrated together. So, yun, doon siya bumabawi. Kapag na binibigyan niya ako ng mga ganun gift. Last time nung I was in Dubai, so we changed my phone. Before, if you remember, my phone was iPhone 13, the big one. Ngayon, nung pumunta ako doon, ay pinalitan ko ng, eto ngayon ginagamit ko yung mas maliit na iPhone 15. iPhone 15, the small one. Before 13.
13 Pro Max.
Pro Max, yes. Pro Max is the big one. So, napagod na ako. So, ang ginawa namin ay, trinade in namin kasi pwede naman yun. Kaysa, ganun talaga ang nangyayari ngayon. Trade in mo sa kanila. Magdadagdag ka na lang para sa updated na phone. So, ang kinuha ko yung simpleng maliit lang na iPhone 15 lang. So, ayun. Para mas magaan din siya. Sobrang bigat nung iPhone 13 na yun na Pro Max. Sobrang bigat talaga. Pagka natatamaan talaga ako ng talagang masakit. Tapos, nga last time also, binilhan niya rin ako ng iPad. So, ayun, nai-enjoy ko naman dahil nga may mga grupo ako na sinalihan. So, doon ako nakakapag-Zoom. And later on, may mga maisip pa tayong business, eh di magagamit natin yun. So, that's it for now, guys. So, thank you so much, Han, for your gift. And, see you again sa ating next vlog kapag meron na naman tayong another chika. So ayan, nandito siya for about 15 days at bukas ay pupunta kami ng Delhi para i-renew yung passport ni Adi. And mag-meet din ako doon ng mga 2 o 3 Pilipina na mga ka-group ko sa Christian group. So ayun, excited kaming pumunta din doon, ma-meet sila. So, ayan, at atin muna itong i-connect sa aking phone para magamit ko na. And ito yung kay ate to galing. Ayan, napakaganda din naman. So, ayan, ito. Ating i-connect natin to. Para magamit na natin bukas. Ang ganda. I like it so much. Bye for now. Thank you guys. Bye. Hello guys, long time no see. Hello guys, long time no see. So ayan, nandito tayo sa luto area tayo. Ayan yung oil nila, Kashmiri oil yan, yung parang sunflower oil. Tapos magluluto tayo guys ng mixed dal. Ito yung mixed dal. Since nandito si Rishi, yan ang paborito niya. So ayan, ako magluluto. So ito ay sili and bawang at luya. Tapos ito yung nilalahok muna. So ayan, pagka mga dals guys, ako nagluluto ng dal. Mga simpleng dal lang. Yakan na natin yan. Ilalagay ko muna kayo dyan para makita nyo. Oops, natatabunan. Kita nyo pa ba ako? Hindi nyo makikita. Wait. Hahanap tayo ng magandang pwesto. Siguro dyan kayo kahit medyo malayo-layo. Malayo. Masyadong malayo. Ang hirap Wait. So ayan, magluluto tayo at so ayan, ang kanilang lahok dito ay anong tawag dito, basta may turmeric, may chili, may danya. So 3 yan, tapos yung sibuyas bawang. Wait lang. Sibuyas bawang natin. Ang daming. So ang gagamitin natin ay sibuyas, tapos grind na tomato para mas malasa. So ayan, simulan na tayong kaya lang ito ay base. Ano tayo ng iba? Ito na lang. So ayan, gamit muna tayo lagyan muna natin ito nila. Ayan. So ito muna. Hindi karamihan. Kasi nga, yan. Yan. Yun muna nilalagay guys para parang sa atin kasi sibuyas bawang lang, sa kanila hindi. Meron pa silang mga kung anik, ayun. Kung ano-ano ang mga inilalagay nila. So ayan. Isod natin to para tayo ay makaisod. Mainit kasi. Mainit. Eh guys. Mainit guys. Gagamit ako na. Ayan. So, lutuin na natin ang mixed dal. Lagyan na natin ng bawang sibuyas. Lutuin na yun ng Ayan. Ayan. Tapos niyan, lagay tayo ng sibuyas. Pagka medyo mapula na yung bawang, medyo brown na pala, lalagay na tayo ng sibuyas. Ayan. Hindi karamihan ng sibuyas kasi hindi naman karamihan yung ating dal. Pagka onti ang dal, inutin lang yung malahot ng mga sibuyas para mas malasa rin. Malasa pa rin. Para mas ayan. Ayan. Tapos, ito ay ating kakaramelize. Saka natin ilalagay ang tomato. Tapos paglagay ng tomato, maglalagay ka din ng turmeric. Paminta kung gusto mo. Tapos asin. Yun lang. Ganun lang kasimple ang kanilang pagluluto. Tapos ilalagay mo na yung dal. Tapos kung gusto mo dagdagan ng tubig para hindi malapot, bubulakin mo. Yun na yun. Pero itong ito ay niluluto ito ng maigi. Bago mo ilagay yung mga dal, ganyan. Ito ay pagka yung mantika, pag nilagay mo to, yung mantika ay nasa ibabaw na, means luto na yung tomato. Saka mo naman ilalagay ang dal. Huli ang dal. Ayun na. Ito na yun. Kasi napapulak na yung dal eh. Paano pa simple? So, babalikan ko kayo kapag maglalagay na tayo ng tomato. Pakita ko sa inyo ang ating sibuyas. So, ayan ang sibuyas. Lulutong-luto pa yan. Medyo pagka yung golden brown na talaga siya. Pag talagang lutong-luto na siya, saka natin ilalagay ang kamatis. Tapos, lalagay natin ng turmeric, mitch, yung sili nila, ayan, dalawa. Pampakulay, tsaka chili, yan. Tapos, salt, pepper, tapos, may hing pa, pwede din lagyan. Tapos, ayun, lalagay mo na yung iyong dal. Tapos, dagdagan mo nga ng tubig para hindi masyadong malapot. Lagyan mo ng asin, tikman mo kung okay na yung asin. Yun na yun, luto na yun siya. Pakita ko ulit sa'yo mamaya pag maglalagay na tayo ng tomato.